Hi, everyone, and happy New Year's Eve to all. Got another new easy keto recipe here that I'm calling a chicken and rice marinade, and it'll serve 3 to 4 people. Here's what you will need. You will need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenders, a bag of the frozen rice cauliflower, small jar of red pesto, olive oil for cooking, Parmesan cheese, pink salt and pepper, hot seasoning if you like. I'm using Down by the Bayou, a fry pan, spatula, and cover, and a tablespoon. Start by heating up 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a fry pan on a heat a little higher than medium. When heated, go ahead and add in the entire bag of your chicken breast, or package I meant. And then we're going to season it up with heavily pink salt, light pepper, and hot seasoning to taste if you like it hot. We'll cover this and let one side cook. Once it's cooked on one side, flip them over, repeat the seasoning, and go ahead and cover these and let them continue to cook. While this is cooking, let's heat up our cauliflower rice in the microwave. And in my microwave, it takes 6 minutes. Every microwave will vary. Once your chicken is fully cooked, let's chop it up into bite-sized pieces and get ready to make up your dinner. You're going to take the whole bag of the riced cauliflower after it's been heated. And this size here, I believe, yes, it's 12 ounces there. And then you're going to use the whole jar of the red pesto, which is 6.25 ounces, and you'll see the picture right there. Go ahead and mix it up until everything is blended well together. Cover and let cook about 5 minutes for all the flavors to come together. Then go ahead and serve up. Easy, Miss Cheesy, right? I made it into 3 servings. It could be 4. And there's the serving left for tomorrow for me. Yum, yum. And there's my plate right there. And it is only 7.5 net carbs a serving if you do 3 servings. It was 24 net carbs for the entire pan. But anyways, you definitely got to give this a try. Everybody in the family will love it. And always keep it keto.